What's up, everybody? Today we are at Knott City. It's freaking hot out here, so we're trying to cool off. Should be a fun day. You excited? Mm-hmm. First water park in America.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. These tubes look fun. Does it look scary?
Yeah.
Yeah, a little bit?
Yeah.
No, it's fun. Knott City Water Park. Look at the tubes. What? Right here's the bag check. So first we gotta find where my sister set up camp at. I think she said over here. The lazy river looks fun. Man, there's a lot of people today. Daughter, Uncle Jude. Where's Mav? Oh. Okay. Did you go on any slides yet?
Yeah.
Which one?
I went on one by myself and he went.
No, you did it. You're not big enough. You can go by yourself. You only imagined it. In the wave pool. I don't know. Oh, they're over there. Yeah, it's like not filled up all the way. We're gonna go find a tube ride where all four of us could go on. Steve, why are you stealing somebody's truck?
Serious medical conditions and inexperienced or non-swimmers.
Where are we going now?
By someone who knows how to swim and how to provide emergency assistance.
We're going on this one. Gonna be fun. Huh?
Can I just jump here?
You want to just jump in from here?
Right now, yeah.
Yeah, let's do it. Eve, you're supposed to have fun.
So that we don't have to wait in the line.
If you do, I'll leave it out.
So we still have this much more to go.
This one has so many lures.
Yeah, this one.
I like to go in a pink one.
The pink one because it's just faster. That one doesn't have a loop. Someone's going in the yellow one. Someone went head first in the yellow one. What the heck? I think they turned their body around inside because they were going to come out head first. No. Here they go.
I want to see little kids.
Holy crap. Firework. It's a firework.
Oh, yeah?
Ours is gonna go all the way.
That one. Ready?
Yeah.
Vita, you scared?
Oh my god. What do you want? Change your mind?
No?
You change your mind. You
Change your mind? Okay.
Change your mind. Let's
Walk
go.
back down.
You change your mind.
No.
Walk down.
Change your mind. Have you guys, this one fun. What? Can I have you remove your sunglasses?
Oh. Where can we put those? Right there.
Yeah, just make sure you guys hold on to the handles all the time.
Think it was fun?
Yeah.
Really was scared.
Eve, why were you scared?
Really thinks he peed in the ride.
No, I didn't!
It's called Mitch, please.
Cheers to the camera.
Cheers, camera.
Cheers to the camera.
Oh,
Cheers.
when it gets full, it dumps. We're gonna wait for the water to dump down us and the rest of these people. Okay, now we can. Now let's just run on the obstacle. Woo! Cold! Woo! Woo! Oh. What does this do? To shoot people.
Yeah. Oh, here.
Yeah, you shoot that thing.
Oh my God. Here.
Cold, get out of here. Woo! Woo! We managed to get 2 floaties. Going to the water.
Huh?
Going to the water. Oh my God, that was so cool.
It's cold? Oh, I didn't feel it. Maybe when I go back.
Look, it's right there.
Yeah.
He's back over here, bro. You woke me up, bro.
There's I think even man.
Davida. Hey, man. Bye. Bye. We're trying to go fast. Where's your floaty at?
What?
Couldn't find one?
Oh no, I don't want one.
We got a life vest.
We're going! Wish my recording's good.
I think it is.
Yeah.
Avita, we beat you.
Oh, you did it.
Uh-huh.
I did see your eyes.
We beat you by like 10 minutes.
No, you did not.
We were waiting for you the whole time. Well, that's our day of Not Soak City.
Bye, internet land.
Daughter,
Huh?
Bye, internet land.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
bye. See you guys in the next vlog.